Welcome back to 50 Car. In a realm where classic strength meets visionary innovation, the 2025 Dodge Durango Z Concept emerges as a bold reinterpretation of American power. Its design captivates with strange and amazing details that evoke both nostalgia and modern marvel. Exterior design. Step by step, the front grille commands attention with intricately patterned chrome and animated LED headlights that gleam like beacons. Next, the sculpted side profile with aerodynamic curves, robust wheel arches, and striking character lines leads to a dynamic rear boasting sleek LED taillights and an adaptive spoiler. Pros: bold, aggressive styling and commanding road presence. Cons: its oversized build might challenge maneuverability in tight urban spaces. Interior and dashboard. Step inside to discover a cabin that blends luxury with rugged practicality. Plush, supportive seats upholstered in premium leather, complete with advanced climate control, invite comfort. The dashboard unfolds as a digital masterpiece, a crisp instrument cluster complemented by a centrally placed touchscreen that integrates navigation, connectivity, and entertainment flawlessly. Pros: a harmonious mix of comfort and state-of-the-art technology. Cons: the high-tech interface may require a brief adaptation for traditional users. Performance and driving experience. Under the hood, a robust turbocharged V8 engine propels the Z Concept to exhilarating heights. Step by step, its adaptive suspension, precise steering, and advanced traction control ensure a driving experience that is both thrilling and stable. Pros: exceptional power, agile handling, and a maximum speed nearing 250 km/h. Cons: fuel efficiency might be compromised in favor of performance. Priced around $85,000, this concept targets mature buyers who crave innovation without sacrificing legacy. Competitors include the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT and BMW X5M. In summary, the 2025 Dodge Durango Z Concept redefines the SUV by marrying audacious design with breakthrough engineering, a revolutionary step forward from previous models.